Yung last song ko, ano, Lapas. Maglalasong ako. Maglalasong tayo para sa ating mga viewers. Siyempre. Tapos mag-highlight siya. Salamat sa 5 billion people in the house. Thank you so much. I was wrong when I hurt you, but did you have to hurt me too? Did you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want to last, just a way to bring back together. I must forgive. You must forgive too. If you wanna try to put things back the way it used to be, here's this, those scenes I'm going over and over, the same things as before. So let not sting the fuss out anymore. What of all the good we had? You only keep protecting back, so that you are never on lover. Does anyone to tell you yet that you need to forget? And if you mad if you don't remember, forget. You must forget too. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, it's just the same going over and over, the same things as before. So let us bring the fuss up anymore. Tulog na, Tita May. Thank you so much, Tita May. Last song na to, tulog na tayo. I must forgive, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing to let and habit trying to do. One thing I'm sure we're both in heaven trying to form. Let's not think the past that anymore. Oh, thank you so much. Mag-highlight mo na ako, Rodeline. Thank you so much, Tita Mayang. And sino yung Missing Kids? Thank you so much. At kay Kuya Ray Vlog. At sa mga nandito, thank you so much. Truckers, Flores, salamat po. At sa mga yung mga dumalaw sa atin, no? Maraming salamat, no? Mag-ina ako, Sing Quiet Vlog. Salamat sa member ni Tita Mayang ng 19 months member kay Lolito Fans. Maraming salamat na Kuya Ria, thank you so much. Missing Kids, salamat sa mga nandito kanina. So mag-iin ako, salamat sa blessing Kuya Ria Vlog sa iyong $1.49. Salamat sa iyong grasya na ibinigay sa kay Lolito World Tracker at kay Joe Finis. Maraming salamat at biyahirong Ormucanon in Europe. Salamat sa iyo, Cola. So yun lang, mag-iin ako. Maraming salamat. Mag-iin ako totally. Thank you so much Vag. Yun kinakanta na ni Tita. Or ano yun, kinakanta. Bye host and good night and see you around. Tita Mayang, thank you so much. Tulog na rin ako. Bye-bye, mag-iina ako.